We are pleased to show you the 2022 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the Qx50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The Qx50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.